Welcome to the Money Breeder. In last video, I mentioned like how to trade with the retracement. Okay, there are two ways to trade the retracement. One is by checking the previous high and previous low. Between the previous high and previous low, we can trade. The second method is by scaling up. Okay, that means every retracement level we have to measure how much percentage it moved and how many points it moved. Based on that, next retracement we can trade. Okay, these are the two items I have explained yesterday. Based on the two items, today I have traded. How I traded, all the details I am going to show you in this video. Before going into the video, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, this is the Nifty chart, 5 minutes Nifty 5 minutes chart. Okay, this is how I marked the levels. Okay, whenever we draw the marking, right, the first criteria will be like more number of places it's supposed to. Okay, this is the low, this is the low, this is the low. Most of the time it is going to be the zones, actually small zones here and there, 2 3 points or 10 points zone will be there. Okay, this is how I marked before opening the market. Okay, let us see how these lines are going to respect. Okay, if any between these two lines, right, anywhere if that respect, then only we are going to trade. If it is not respecting, we want to trade. Okay, 1 second. This was the entire day. Previous day 325 is the last candle. I closed it. Now I am playing the let me slow down little bit. Okay, the open with very high. So this is the place it is trying to. See, I calculated the points also, how much points between this. Okay, all that thing. Now it is respecting here. We can attempt the trade here as well. Okay, here I attempted, but in the beginning, on the expiry day, beginning of the trade, we should not attempt with the heavy quantities. So I attempted with the one lot. Okay, but the premium which I wanted to collect, like the 55 points with the stop loss of 25 points. So my trigger is not executed. I didn't trade it. Now I'm going to see here. Here two candles. One candle is okay. One candle. Always remember, guys. This is the candle, right? What it tells. Long leg doji. This is the long leg doji. What it tells. Okay. The price is trying to fall down. Okay. All of a sudden, somebody came and pushed the price to the upside. Okay, that means, okay, this area people are looking for some discount. Okay, people are, there are some buying interest in this area. That is what this candle is telling, right? This small candle is telling. If we see, that is what this small candle is telling. There is a buying interest in this area, but still not yet there is no confirmation. Now other candle is saying this, not this green candle, in between there is another candle which is telling like, okay, this is the first candle, then there is a red candle like this, after that there is another candle like this, the third candle. What it is telling, the price is trying to go up. Okay, here the price is going to go down. Somebody came and bought it. After that, within this range only, lot of drama is happening. After that, people are trying to add it. Okay, smart people are trying to add, that's what the price went up. Then still, since this is the bearish move, right? People are not realized yet, that is where still selling it. Okay, that means buying interest is there, buying another buying interest is there at the support level. If you see this kind of candle, this is the doji or shooting star, this kind of patterns, right? Okay, these are the sign for the reversals at the support level. So now I see here the both kind of candles. Okay, I got the confirmation saying that I got ready. What is the time? What is the time here? The time is 11:55. Okay, 11:55. If we go to the smaller time frame, see 3 minutes time frame. If I keep the 3 minutes time frame, this was the behavior, right? This is the behavior. Okay, three candles are there in the same level with a bullish sentiment. That is where I initiated by 11:57. Let me show you what is my trade. Okay, first initially 55 points I wanted to collect, but my trigger is not hit. Immediately it went to the 45. I didn't get the chance. After that, okay, 11:57. The 3 minutes candle, it completed. Next, immediately I initiated. Okay, between these 40 points are there. Okay, let me play now. See, this is what that trigger, right? Between these 40 points are there. Okay, that 40 points I wanted to capture 20 points in the option. Okay, 20 points in the option move. So I captured. This is how I am done the trading today. Okay, one more concept what yesterday I thought was, okay, by measuring this retracement, right? By measuring this retracement, how much it is there, next retracement will be that much only. The same logic, okay, I applied on the Reliance here. See, this is the put option actually. If we see the put option, right, 1240 put option, whatever this move was there, same move it is completed here. Same move completed here. After completing this much move, there is a pullback expected. What is that pullback? Okay, this is the pullback which we are going to expect this much. Okay, that pullback, since we reached to the end of the market, end of the day, I wanted to capture some amount where I got the stop loss of 1500 rupees in the Avanti feeds. This 1500 I wanted to recover from the Reliance. That is where I triggered the order by 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock, and captured my 1500 rupees with the large quantity. Okay, this is the expectation of the trade. It went down and came back. If we see, right, this is the retracement. Okay, whenever we see this move is finished, okay, this move is finished, next is this one. Okay, that's all guys in this video. This is what I wanted to discuss with you guys. Thank you so much. Please be subscribe for my channel, and also share with your friends and press the like button. Thank you so much.